Alright, this is 16 millimeter. I'm going to go ahead and take off the clutch bolt. Alright, so I made this clutch puller. This is 3/4 16, 3/4 16 threads per inch. Also 3/4 UNF, universal fine thread, threaded rod with 2 3/4 nuts on it. So this is what you want to thread into here. One more note on making your clutch puller with 3/4 inch fine thread rod. That's 16 teeth per inch, and 3/4 fine thread nuts, 2 of them. You just want to take your angle grinder and round off the nose of it there so that your rod doesn't mushroom out and stop you from being able to reverse thread, reverse it out of the hole. So just take your little angle grinder, round it off, and you'll be good to go. So as you can see, right there is where it hits. So now we're going to need to Mac Daddy it off. Sorry, my camera ran out of space right when I was recording, but I got it to where the impact wrench wouldn't turn it anymore, and it was just starting to chew up the bolt. Took this hammer, just a nice 24-ounce hammer. You could go bigger, wouldn't go much smaller. You want to get a good whack on it, and whacked on the end of the bolt probably 5-6 times. Back to the impact gun, I would say maybe within 6 more seconds of full on the trigger, I started to notice the impact socket was making some momentum. So definitely watch your impact socket, and if you can tell that it's making momentum going inward, that means it's loosening up and it's about to fall off. So that's what happened. Started making some momentum, and then I would say a big whoosh of momentum, and it, as the clutch puller rod went in, as you can see, it pushes here, pushes on that shaft, and it this whole assembly comes off. So that's how it works. You can make one of these for a few bucks. I mean, yeah, more like 10-15 bucks, but a lot cheaper than your $40 clutch puller from Polaris. So I highly recommend making one.